2 powerful anti-inflammatory teas to fight inflammation. Medicinal Garden Kit. Hello, welcome, I'm Marcia, and today I want to share with you 2 powerful teas to fight inflammation. Medicines made from leaves, seeds, bark, fruits, and flowers have been critical and public success for millennia and constitute an important part of the culture of several peoples. The use of natural products to treat diseases is a tradition that spans centuries, which is due to the efficiency of herbs when it comes to curing diseases, especially inflammatory ones, such as sore throat, skin lesions, muscle discomfort, and even bladder and kidney problems. It is no wonder that many of the remedies available on the market are made from what is offered by nature. Thus, anti-inflammatory teas are great to combine with medicinal treatments and speed up your recovery. There's no shortage of natural elements that can help you get rid of inflammation, and best of all, they don't cause side effects, as happens during the consumption of some industrialized and manipulated remedies. And if you want to learn how to cure with medicinal plants, and not having to depend on abrasive medicines to feel better, take advantage of the plants that Mother Nature gives us to relieve pain and treat menstrual cramps, digestion problems. Sometimes you go several days without going to the bathroom, because you think twice before having a bowel movement since it causes you immense pain. Treat bad circulation, insomnia, diabetes, cholesterol, high blood pressure, stress, diseases that have been suffering for so long. Know that thousands of people in the world are resorting to these treatments due to their high efficiency and obtaining very effective results. Thanks to the healing power of medicinal plants. I think everyone should have a medicinal garden in their backyard. You can easily choose the medicine you need at any time. Your backyard pharmacy will be there for you. Imagine stepping into your backyard and looking out over your colorful new medicinal garden. Your backyard will smell of fresh lavender and chamomile. It's very stimulating. That's how I felt when I saw my friend Anne's medicinal garden all in bloom and fragrant. Although very beautiful and well maintained. I asked her if she wasn't afraid of using the wrong plant that could harm her health. But she explained to me that she bought the Medicinal Garden Kit on a secure website, where all these seeds were hand-picked from the best plants. With the seed kit, she also received a free medicinal guide that shows you how to turn these 10 plants into tinctures, ointments, poultices, decoctions, infusions, essential oils, everything down to the smallest detail so that you can follow our guide even if you've never used herbal medicine in your life. She even gave me the website where she bought it, and I'll leave it here below in the video description to help you who also want to create your own medicinal garden and enjoy the best that nature has to offer us. She told me that this garden kit has significantly changed the lives of thousands of people. And it can change yours too. If you want to know more, visit the website for more information. Well then, now to the video. I'm going to give you a recipe for Indian clove and ginger tea. Got that sore throat or toothache, and are you having trouble speaking? The combination of cloves and ginger is perfect for ending inflammation in the throat and teeth, as together these products have antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and healing properties. Each 1 centimeter of unpeeled ginger. Put everything in a saucepan, boil 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool, strain and drink. There are no contraindications, so you can take it throughout the day until you feel an improvement in your throat or teeth. Well, I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next video.